Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send gifts to someone on the Evony game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Evony game on your device, and once it is opened up, you might be taken to the basic tutorial levels if you're playing the game for the first time. Once the basic tutorial has been completed, you will be able to access the game menu by tapping on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on this and then tap on Friends to see all of your friends that you have within your game. Now from the Friends tab, you can tap on any friend that you already have added onto your friend list and you will be able to access their profile. You can also go into the Recommend tab to add various users as a friend if you don't have a friend right away. Once you open the profile of the friend to whom you want to send a gift, you can tap on the Detail option at the bottom right corner and you will find the Send Gift option. Just tap on the Send Gift menu and you will be able to choose various different items that you have within your inventory that you can send as a gift. Just choose your item that you want to send and proceed forward with the next button, and your gift will be sent to your user that you just selected right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send gifts to someone on the Evony game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.